Welcome to our comparison of two popular RAM options, the CORSAIR Vengeance LPX and the Crucial Pro. In this video, we will explore their specifications, pricing, and user feedback to determine which RAM kit is the better choice for your desktop setup. When it comes to pricing, the CORSAIR Vengeance LPX is priced at $79, making it a more affordable option compared to the Crucial Pro RAM, which is priced at $94. This price difference can be significant for budget-conscious buyers looking for high-performance memory. In terms of performance, the CORSAIR Vengeance LPX boasts an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 based on over 13,000 reviews, while the Crucial Pro RAM has a slightly lower rating of 4.7 from around 14,000 reviews. Both products are highly rated, but the Vengeance LPX edges out in performance satisfaction. The Crucial Pro RAM offers broader compatibility with various Intel and AMD CPUs thanks to its lower voltage of 1.2 volts, which can be advantageous for users with specific motherboard requirements. In contrast, the CORSAIR Vengeance LPX, while still compatible with many systems, may require more attention to ensure it works optimally with certain motherboards. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR Vengeance LPX and the Crucial Pro RAM offer excellent performance and reliability. The Vengeance LPX is a more budget-friendly option, while the Crucial Pro provides better compatibility for a wider range of systems. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.